Hi viewers, welcome to the channel. This is Neela. To understand squares and square root, you can refer to my previous video. In this video, we shall be covering all the questions related to exercise 5.1 from NCERT. So it is squares and square root. Now let's start the exercise, which is 5.1. And the first question is, what will be the unit digit of the squares of the following number? They mean that, see, the first question is 81. They mean that when you multiply 81 by 81, or when you find the square of 81, what will be the unit digit? See, in 81, what is the unit digit? It is 1. So for the solution, you will just multiply 1 by 1. So when you multiply 1 by 1, what you get? 1 only. So your unit digit is 1. It means when you take the square of 81, in the unit digit, you will get 1 as the answer. Okay, so it's so simple. Now you look at the second question. It is 272. So what is the unit digit in 272? It is 2. So when you multiply 2 by 2, what you get as the answer? You get 4 as the answer. So your unit digit is 4. It means when you multiply 272 by 272, you will get 4 in the unit digit. Look at the third question. It is 799. What is the unit digit here? It is 9. So multiply 9 by 9, you get 81. In the 81, what is the unit digit? It is 1 only. So your answer is 1 here. See, all questions are very simple. Now look at the next question. It is 3853. Now what is the unit digit here? It is 3. Multiply 3 by 3, you get 9. So what is the unit digit here? It is 9. Now the fifth sum is, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Unit digit is 4. Okay, now multiply 4 by 4, you get 16. In 16, what is the unit digit? It is 6. So in the answer, you will write 6. Okay. Now see the sixth part. It is 26387. So in this, what is the unit digit? It is 7. So multiply 7 by 7, you get 49. In the 49, what is unit digit? It is 9. It means when you take the square of 26387, you will get 9 as the unit digit. Now next part, it is 52698. Now unit digit is 8 here. So multiply 8 by 8, you get 64. Unit digit in 64 is 4. So in the answer, you will write 4 as a unit digit. Now look at the next question. It is 99880. So in the unit digit, you have 0. Multiply 0 by 0, you get 0. So in your answer, you will write 0 as a unit digit. Now the next is 12796. What is the unit digit? It is 6. So multiply 6 by 6, you get 36. In 36, what is the unit digit? It is 6. So you will write 6 as the unit digit. Now the last sum is, it is 5, 5555 and 5. So unit digit is 5 here. When you multiply 5 by 5, you get 25. So when you take the square of this number, you will get 5 in the unit place. Okay. Now let's solve the second question of exercise 5.1. See, the following numbers are not perfect squares. Give reason. So it is already given to you that the given numbers are not perfect square. You have to just tell the reason. Okay, see, the answer is, see, all perfect square, if you notice, they always end with either 1 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 9 or even number of zeros. And if you want to understand that why we say so, see, if any number is ending with 0, and if you find the square of that number, you will always get 0 at the end, or rather even number of zeros at the end. Let's say the number is 10, so 10 is ending with 0. And when you take the square of 10, you will get 100. So that number also ends with 0 only. And if a number is ending with 1, you will always get 1 as the 1 at the unit digit. Okay. And likewise, if your number is ending with 2, and if you take a square of 2, square of that number, you will always get 4 at the end. Likewise, if your number is ending with 3 or 4 or 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, they will always end either with 1 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 9 or even number of 0. That is why we say that the perfect squares always end with these numbers. Okay, now we will solve the first question. See, why 1057 is not a perfect square? It's very easy. If you see 1057 is ending with 7. It is not ending with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 or even number of 0. So it is not a perfect square. Now second part, it is the number given is 23453. See the unit digit is 3 here. It means it is not ending with the 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 or even number of zeros, so it is not a perfect square. So in all these, the reason is same. Same for the third one. See the given number is 7928. It is not ending with the given number, so it is also not a perfect square. Now the fourth one, it is 6 times 2. It is ending with 2, and so that is why it is also not a perfect square, because the reason is same for all these questions. Now let's look at the next part. It is 64,000. So 64,000 is also not a perfect square. If you see, it is ending with 3 zeros, and 3 zeros are not even number of zeros. So that is why 64,000 is not a perfect square. Number should end with even number of zeros. Now look at the next part. It is 89722. It is also not a perfect square because it is not ending with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 or even number of zeros. Now next is it is 222 It is also not a perfect square because it is ending with 30, which are not even numbers. Okay, so reason is again same. Now the last part is 505050. It is ending with 0, but it is single 0. There are no even number of zeros, so it is also not a perfect square. Now let's solve the next part. Next question, question number 3. The squares of which of the following would be odd number? We have to just identify that the square of given numbers are odd or even. See, answer is very simple. See, the squares of even number is even and the squares of odd number is odd. So for such question, first identify whether the given number is even or odd. See, the first is 431. 431 is ending with 1. It means the given number is odd. So its square will be odd only. So what you will write in the reasoning? You will write 431 is an odd number. So its square will also be an odd number. Look at the next part. It is 2826. It is ending with 6. 6 is an even number. So the given number is an even number. So its square will be even only. So same reasoning you will write that 2826 is an even number, so its square will also be an even number. Third, it is 7779. It is ending with odd digit, so given number is odd, so its square will be an odd number only. Okay. Now fourth one is 82004. So 82004 is ending with an even number, so the given number is even, so its square will be even only. In this question, observe the following pattern and find the missing digit. Okay, so first of all, observe this pattern which is given to you. See, it is given that 11 square is 121. We all know 11 square is 121. Now, if you see in between 11, they have inserted 1 0. And what they have done in the answer also, they have inserted 110 between 1, 2 and 1. Okay. Now, if you see the next step, again they have added 1 0, one more 0. So here also they have inserted 110 more. So if you again observe it, if there is 1 0, so there is also 110 on the right hand side. And if there are 2 0 on the left hand side, then 2 zeros are there on the right hand side as well. Okay, now you see the next part. Now there are how many zeros? 4 zeros. So you will insert 4 0 here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, if you see the last part, it is 1, 2, sorry, 4 and 6 zeros are there. So what you will do, you will write 1, insert 6 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you write 2. Now again write 6 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and end this with 1. Okay. So in such type of question, your observation is very important. Observe it carefully and then attempt it. Okay. So the next question is also on pattern. So this time also observe the pattern carefully. This time it is little different. See, 11 square is 121. It is given. After that, they have added 1 0. And if you see now, the pattern is 10, 20, and 1. So if there are 2, 1, it is going till 2, 1 and 2. And after that, the same pattern is repeated. So it is 1. If you see, it is 1, 0, 2, and after that same pattern is repeated. It is 0, 1 and 0, 1. Okay, so if there are 2, 1, it will go till 2. If there are 3 ones, it will go till 3. Now again you see how many ones are there? 3 ones. So what you will do, you will write here 10, 20. It will go till 3 now. After that, same digits you write again. It is 0 to 0, 1. Okay. Now in the next pattern, how many ones are there? There are 4 ones. It means this pattern will go till 4. So you will write 10, 20, 30, and 4. After that, you will write these digits again. It is 0, 3, 0, 2, 0, 1. Okay. Now in the next part, if you see this digit, this pattern is going till 5. It means you will write 5, 1, 3, 4, 5, and in between all ones you add 0. Or starting and ending is with 1 only, as if you see all are starting and ending with 1 only. Okay, so this is the question on pattern. Now let's look at the sixth question. Using the given pattern, find the missing number. Okay, so again observe the pattern here. See what is the pattern here. See, if you look at the first row, see when you multiply 1 by 2, so 2 multiplied by 1 will give you 2, and when you add 1 to this 2, you will get 3. See it again one more time. See, 2 multiplied by 3 will give you 6, and when you add 1 to 6, you will get 7. Same way, if you look at the third row, 3 multiplied by 4 will give you 12, and when you add 1 to this 12, you will get 13. Now try the fourth one. 4 multiplied by 5 will give you 20, so write 20 here, and when you add 1 to this 20, you will get 21. Okay, the next one, 5 multiplied by which number will give you 30? See, when you multiply 5 with 6, you will get 30, and when you add 1 to 30, you will get 31. Likewise, the last one, 6 multiplied by 7 will give you 42. And when you add 1 to 42, you will get 43. Okay, so in the last line, the answer is 42 and 43. In this line, the answer is 6. And in the previous one, it is 20. Okay. Now we'll see the seventh part, seventh question. See, without adding, find the sum. See, the first question given to you is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. If you observe it carefully, these all are odd numbers and they all are successive odd numbers. Successive means they comes one after another. Okay. See, but there is one property of square numbers, that square numbers can be expressed as the sum of successive odd numbers. If you see the first question, this thing, see how many odd numbers are there? So it is 1 plus 3 plus 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total how many odd numbers are there? There are 5 odd numbers. It means this sum can be written as 5 square. And when you solve 5 square, it is 25. So it means the sum of all these numbers is 25. And why we can write it as 5 square? Because there are 5 successive odd numbers. It can be written as 5 square, starting from 1. Okay, now look at next second part. If you see how many these odd numbers are there. These are total 10 odd numbers. So it means it can be written as 10 square. And when you solve 10 square, you will get 100. Okay, now look at the next part. See how many odd numbers are there. If you count, these are total 12 odd numbers. And when you find the square of 12, you will get 144. So no need to do the addition here. You just count the number of odd numbers. And after counting the number of odd numbers, just find the square of that number and you will get the answer. Now we'll solve the eighth question, first part. See, express 49 as the sum of successive 7 odd numbers. See, so what you will do, it is very simple. They have already given that you have to add the first 7 odd numbers. So you will start at starting from 1. You will start adding starting from 1 and you will take first 7 odd numbers. So they are 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. And if you take the addition of all these numbers, you will get 49 as the answer. Okay. Now see the second part. Express 121 as the sum of successive 11 odd numbers. Always keep in mind that you will always start from 1. Okay, starting from 1, you will write 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21. So these all are first 11 odd numbers. And when you take the sum of all these numbers, you will get 121 as the answer. Now solve the ninth question. How many numbers lie between the squares of falling numbers? See, the first part is 12 and 13. Now, if you see 12 and 13, they come just after one another. And which is the smallest number? It is 12. So you will assume let n equals to 12. So how many numbers lie between the squares of these numbers? See, the formula is 2n. It means you will multiply 2 by n. I am assuming n as you will assume the smaller number as n. Okay. So when you multiply 2 by 12, you will get 24. It means 24 numbers lies between the squares of 12 and the square of 13. Okay, now see the next part. How many numbers lies between the square of 25 and 26? You will take n as 25. Number lies between is 2n. It means you will multiply 2 by 25. And what you will get as the answer? You will get 50 as the answer. It means 50 numbers lies between the squares of 25 and the square of 26. Now let's solve the last part of the question. How many numbers lie between the squares of 99 and 100? So the smaller number is 99. So let's assume n as 99. Number lies equals to 2n. It means you will multiply 2 by 99 and you will get 198 as the answer. It means 198 numbers lies between the square of 99 and square of 100. Okay, so this completes our exercise number 5.1 and keep practicing more and more. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in my next video.